Match the following: Baron, zone refining, tin, liquation, zirconium, Van Arkel method, nickel, Mons process, oxidation of Cl iron chloride gas occurs in the extraction of chlorine by electrolysis of brine. The metallurgical process is sulfide. Heat gives oxide. Heat gives impure metal. Heat gives pure metal. The process A, B and C in the above mentioned reactions are respectively rotting, smelting and electrolysis. Consider the following reaction at 100 degrees Celsius. ZnS plus 1 by 200 gas heating gives ZnO gas. Delta G degree is equal to 360 kJ mole inverse 1. Cs plus 1 by 202 gas heating gives CO gas. Delta G degree is equal to minus 460 kJ mole inverse 1. The correct statement above the reaction at 100 degrees Celsius is Zn can be reduced to Zn by C. 2ms plus 3O2 gives 2mc plus 2SO2. 2mc plus ms gives 3m plus SO2. The thermal M in above mentioned reaction is Pb. The iron ore that is used to line the reverberatory furnace to prepare the percent form of iron is hematite. Iron is extracted from chalcopine is FeSiO3. In the fourth obtation process, how can zinc sulfide and lead sulfide separated using depressants? In the metallurgy of aluminum, the graphic anode is oxide to carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Copper metal contains sulfide of copper and iron. The process of bringing the thermal ore into solution by the action as a suitable chemical reagent followed by extraction of thermal either by electrolysis or by a suitable precipitating agent is called hydrometallurgy. An electrochemical process is used to extract sodium. What are the main reaction that occurs in the blast furnace during iron extraction from hematite. Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 3CO2. CaO plus SiO2 gives CaSiO3. Chloride ore among us carmelite. Chalcogens ore or farming element. The following equation represent in method of purification of nickel by Ni plus 2CO bracket 320 Kelvin gives NiCO4 gives 420 Kelvin Ni plus 4CO. This method is Mond's process. Zn and Cu are the pair of elements can form alloy. Cupellation process is used in the metallurgy of silver. Chill sulfate is the ore of Na. Blast furnace is used in the metallurgy of Fe. Liquefaction is used to purify Pb, Sn and Bi. Wolframite ore contains W. The process in which ore is heated in limited supply of air below its melting point is known as calcination. Iron is made inactive or passive by CONCl minus NO3. The inner lining of a blast furnace is made up of fire bricks. Fourth, F battation process for the concentration of ores is a practical application of absorption. Roasting is generally carried out in case of sulfide ores. CaO substance is used as a basic reference refractory material in furnace. Rutile is an ore of Ti. Peat is not a mineral. Ge and Si elements is purified by zone of refining. Alloy is an example of a solid soul. The second most common element on the earth is silicon. Nickel is purified by thermal decomposition of its carbonyl. In separate process, by product obtained in the purification of bauxite is NH3. CO is used in the metallurgy of Ni. In the cyanide extraction process of silver from originite, orga, originite or the oxidizing and reducing agent used for O2 and Zn dust respectively. Impurities present in the ore which react to fissile substance are known as gangue. Sep's method trolls the heating of a bauxite with N2 plus C. In the metallurgy of copper, the slag is FeSO3. Galena contains Zns with plots NaCN is used as a depressant to stop Zns to come with a 4. One of Ag is leached with NaCN. Crystallite is sodium hydrofluoroaluminate. Plumbo solvency refers to dissolution of lead in water containing air. The metal oxide which cannot be reduced to metal by carbon is Al2O3. Chalcolite and chalcopyrite contain both sulfur and copper. Copper pyrites copper pyrites ore is concentrated by fourth Battian process.